Section 1. What is cryptocurrency? A quick and simple explanation. So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Let me explain it in simple terms. Crypto equals digital money. Unlike traditional money issued by governments like USD or EUR, crypto is completely digital and operates on a decentralized network. This means no banks or middlemen are needed for transactions. Blockchain equals secure and transparent. Crypto runs on blockchain technology, a system that records every transaction in a secure public ledger. Once a transaction is recorded, it cannot be changed or erased, making crypto highly secure. Fun fact: Bitcoin, BTC, the first ever cryptocurrency, was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Now that you understand what crypto is, let's move on to the fun part: how to start investing. Section 2. How to start investing in crypto. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Choose a crypto exchange. First, you need a platform where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. These platforms are called crypto exchanges. Top crypto exchanges in 2025. 1. Binance, best for variety and low fees. 2. Coinbase, best for beginners. 3. Kraken, best for security. 4. Bybit and OKX, great for advanced traders. Security. Tip: always enable two-factor authentication to keep your account safe. Step 2. Deposit money into your account. Next, you need to add funds to your exchange account so you can buy crypto. Ways to deposit money: bank transfer, low fees but slow. Credit debit card, fast but higher fees. PayPal or Apple Pay, on supported platforms. Watch out for fees. Some platforms charge up to 3 to 5% on card deposits. Step 3. Choose your first cryptocurrency. Now it's time to buy your first crypto, but which one should you choose? Top cryptos for beginners: Bitcoin, BTC, the most trusted digital gold. Ethereum, ETH, powering smart contracts and NFTs. Solana, SOL, fast and great for decentralized apps. Polygon, Matic, low fees and great for Web3. If you're just starting out, I recommend investing mostly in Bitcoin and Ethereum, as they are the most stable and widely accepted. Step 4. Make your first crypto purchase. Now that you've picked your crypto, let's buy some. How to buy crypto. 1. Select your crypto, e.g., Bitcoin. Enter the amount you want to invest. 3. Click buy and confirm the transaction. Remember, you don't need to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can start with as little as $10. Step 5. Store your crypto safely. Crypto wallets explained. Visual: animation of different types of wallets. After buying crypto, you need to keep it safe. There are 2 types of wallets you should know about. 1. Hot wallets, online and easy to use. MetaMask, best for Ethereum and NFTs. Trust Wallet, great for beginners. 2. Cold wallets, offline and ultra secure. Checkmark Ledger, NanoX, best for long-term holding. Checkmark Trezor, high security and trusted globally. Warning sign. Pro tip: never share your private keys or seed phrase. This is the only way to access your crypto. Section 3. Common mistakes beginners should avoid. Now, let's talk about some big mistakes you need to avoid. Investing more than you can afford to lose. Crypto is highly volatile. Only invest money you're willing to lose. Falling for scams and